and welcome! If you are a career-driven woman navigating the early days of newborn life while still trying to maintain your identity, ambition, and sense of purpose, you're in the right place. I've seen firsthand what helps ambitious, organized women thrive in postpartum and what quietly erodes their energy and confidence. Today, I'm sharing practical, proven strategies to help you balance work and early motherhood without losing yourself in the process. Let's dive in. Tip number 1, redefine success for the new season. One of the most common struggles I see among ambitious women in the postpartum is applying their old success metrics, productivity, speed, and output, to a season that requires a completely different kind of leadership. Success after birth aren't measured by the inbox zero or daily checklist. It is measured by these 3 anchors. Your baby is fed and safe. You are nourished physically and emotionally, as well as mentally. A piece of your identity remains intact every day, no matter how small. Tiny wins build powerful resilience over time. Number 2, create anchors, not rigid schedules. Career women thrive with structure, but newborns don't follow schedules. Instead of forcing rigid routines that set you up for frustration, I teach women to install daily anchors, flexible, stabilizing moments that give you rhythm without rigid timing. Some examples: a 10-minute morning ritual before checking emails, a midday mental reset while the baby naps, and an evening shut routine, even if it's simply deep breathing before bed. Anchors create calm even when life feels unpredictable. Tip 3, engineer strategic support early. One thing I've seen again and again, high-functioning women often resist building support systems until they're overwhelmed. True leadership in postpartum means proactively engineering support, not waiting for breakdowns. This could be as simple as setting up a grocery delivery once a week, creating a small text for help circle among trusted friends, and delegating non-essential tasks at work without apology. Accepting help is not a weakness. It's an investment in your recovery and your future momentum. Tip number 4, redefine a successful day. A successful day after having a baby isn't defined by completing a to-do list or responding to every work request instantly. It's defined by moments of presence. Meeting your baby's needs, meeting your core personal needs, and protecting a tiny spark of who you are beyond the role of new mom. Productivity will evolve. Your ambition doesn't disappear. It adapts. And if you manage to drink a cup of coffee while it's still warm, that's an executive level win in newborn life. You're not choosing between career and motherhood. You're creating a new form of leadership, one that honors your ambition and your family. It's allowed to look different, to feel unpredictable, and still be deeply successful. And if you want even more real-world strategies to actually enjoy life with a newborn without losing yourself between Zoom calls and diaper changes, I'd love to invite you to my free live class. It's happening on May 14 at 12 noon Eastern Time. But don't worry if you can't make it live. If you register, you'll automatically get the full replay sent straight to you. Save your spot on the link below. I can't wait to see you there. Until next time.